Alright, guys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar, Polo G, Boring Soul. It's not that boring to play though, so if you like this song, bear with me a couple minutes, it will be worth it. Let's go into this tutorial together. Capo on 6, the absolute best scenario for us, and with that we have, let's see, 4 chords I believe. And yeah, let's go into the chords. We're gonna start with A minor, and that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have C next. That will be third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have F, which is the bar chord, so play index finger on the first fret, you push down all strings there as a bar, and then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. And finally, we have the G. And that will be third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. Now we're gonna go into the melody part first, okay? It's 2 halves, so to speak. So the first half is A minor, C, and F, and the second half is A minor, C, and G. So the A minor part goes like this. You're gonna play open A together with first B. So basically you hold the chord as it is, and then play second D and second G. Next part is C, and I suggest you hold on the 3rd fret E string in the bass and the 3rd fret A string, okay? You're gonna play 3rd A together with open high E, then 3rd E in the bass, and 3rd A. And then F. We have, you could hold the full chord as it is, you don't have to, because you're gonna play 1st fret E string in the bass together with 2nd G, and then 3rd A and 3rd E. And that's it. So you can skip the bar for this specific melody play and just have that pointed on this bass note there, okay? That is the first half. And next half will be to play A minor in the same way as you play before. So, and then you repeat the C as well. And then finally you have the G, and you're going to play it like this. That is to play 3rd fret E string in the bass together with open B, then open D, and open G. And that's the end of the second round, second half, and that is the full melody parts. And just some technical stuff there from the C to G, and then there, notice you have that C, this 3rd fret E string play there in that song, so you just keep that. You don't have to remove everything and then go back to this 30. You have to be like economically thinking about this when you have to make it as easy as possible. So keep that 3rd fret E string from the C and just have that ready for the next G chord. Okay, so that's that, and this melody could roll from the beginning till the very end. But we also want to combine with some strumming. So let's go and look into that. You have the first chord A minor, and one string around goes like this. Okay, this is my interpretation of it. You could play this in different ways. I played like this, down, and then down, up, clap, down. That is one string around. So down, down, up, clap, down. A couple rounds to get the feeling for the rhythm. It goes like this. And what you're going to play now is to play A minor, one string around, C1, and F2. That's the first half. Then second half is A minor 1, C1, and G2. And that's it. So let's roll that for one round. That's it, my friends. Polo G's Boring Soul. Hope it wasn't too boring for you to learn this. And if it was good, then leave a comment. I would like to know what you think about my teaching, my songs. I want to have inputs, basically. So, yeah, interact with me. Hope to see you soon. Until next time, play tuned.